Introducing yourself, maintaining a subject. You ever have a conversation with someone and you're the only one talking? You ever have a conversation with someone and they keep making it, they're kind of that one-up person? No matter what you say, they got something better. Yeah, that's not a good conversation. Reciprocal conversation is a goal, and it has a lot of components. Wait time, answering, being on the same subject, maintaining the subject, sustaining the conversation, knowing how to end the conversation, reading the social cue of when the person wants to get out of the conversation. You ever been stuck there and you can't get out and you're backing up and the person's following you and you're like, okay, they're not getting it. What do I do? You know, do I say stop? Do I say, man, I gotta go to the bathroom? Do I say, I feel sick? What do I do? You know what you do? You say to them, this has been a great conversation and I think it's time for us to end it because I really do have to get to something else, but thanks a lot. How many of us do that? Nobody. I have a friend who gets on the phone and she goes outside while she's on the phone and wants to get off the phone and she rings her doorbell, her own doorbell, and says, oh, our doorbell just rang, someone's at the door. And everyone's like, oh yeah, I heard that, I'll let you go. And she'll be like, works every time, all right? People don't read cues. They don't know, you gotta teach them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.